Hello, class. Before we begin the first lecture, I wanted to make a little video here of proof. And this video is proof of making money online and how we do it, and making sure it all really gets done. Okay. So this is the PayPal account. This is my PayPal account. And I'm not going to be showing you some of the information, obviously, that needs to be kept private, but that is okay because I'm going to show you how to link your own accounts to these sources and make some serious money. If you look at the money that was made and look at the dates through the month of January, we had a good month. We made just about over $2,500. Okay, and there needs to be obviously some tax deductions that we'll make on our own later, but that's okay because we made that money online. All right, so thank you so much, guys. Without further ado, we will jump right in to lecture number 1. I just wanted to show you the proof to get you guys more excited to get started, okay? Hello, class, and welcome to the course. This is how I make 100% of my living online in only 2 hours a day. We have a lot to cover, and I am very excited to jump right in. However, before we do, there's a couple things I want to talk about. This is the course syllabus. What you're seeing on the screen here is not what you'll see in your course syllabus. This is more of a rough draft, whereas the course syllabus you have in the downloads folder right now, you can download and it will be completely up to date for you. Second thing I want to bring to your attention is in this course, we will not just be talking about how to do the things that involve making money online. We will actually be doing them. That being said, there is a $15 fee for the purchase of a domain name. I do not make that money. It has nothing to do with me. We will be purchasing our domain name from either GoDaddy.com or HostGator, or wherever you want to get your domain name from is perfectly fine. But I will be walking us through the steps of GoDaddy.com and HostGator. Okay. But welcome. I'm very excited to get started with you guys, and I'm very excited to teach you guys everything that we have to talk about. Something to get out in the open right now. This course is designed for everyone. And when I say that, I mean you might be a seasoned veteran, or you might be a new beginner who's just getting started with these kind of programs. That is okay. Okay, there is something in this course for everyone. Even if you know all the way up until the end, I really hope, I'd like to say I guarantee, but I'm 99% confident that in the end we'll talk about some things that you didn't know, and hopefully you can learn some really good stuff. Okay, there is something in this course for everyone. Okay, so I'm very excited. I hope you're just as excited as me. Okay, so this is the course syllabus. Like I said, the one you're looking at right now, if you downloaded it. If you didn't download it yet, go ahead and download it. Okay, very important. And take a look at the course syllabus. Okay, so this is the course syllabus. This is lecture number 1. Okay, we're in section 1 right now. Section 1 is just all introduction. Okay. However, that doesn't mean skip section 1, because lecture 2, we do talk about some really important stuff. Okay. Excuse me. However, in lecture 1, most of this is all introductory material. Okay. So, let's just talk about the syllabus real quick. What we're going to be doing in lecture 1 is talk about finding the right fit for you. And that's about all I'm going to say on that. Or, I'm sorry, not lecture 1, section 1. That's what we're doing in section 1. We're talking about the course syllabus, talking about finding the right fit for you. Okay? Section number 2 is when we're actually getting started. Okay, we're actually going to go over all of these things. I have not fit scams into a lecture yet. It'll probably have its own lecture. I don't really know yet. You'll know by looking at your course syllabus, because your course syllabus is more up to date than mine. Okay, that's great. And we're going to be talking about all these things and how they can help you and how you can utilize these materials to make money online. Okay? We're going to talk about building our first blog. Okay? This is exciting because blogging is one of the most popular ways to make money online. And down here, if you look at section 4, we're going to be talking about YouTube. And something that you might not have known about YouTube is blogging. It's just blogging with videos. It's actually called vlogging with a V. Okay. So a lot of this revolves around blogging. Okay. Blogging is at our core. Okay. So we're going to be talking about blogging. We're actually going to build a blog together step by step. It should be very easy for you to follow along. If you start to struggle, go into the discussion forums and ask questions with your classmates. Work together, guys. I have a lot of students. It is very, very difficult to keep up with everybody. So it's very important that we work together. Okay? If you want to send me a message with a personal question, I cannot guarantee that I can get back to you right away. I'll do my best, but I cannot guarantee that I'll get back to you. Okay? So section 3, we're building our first blog, and we're going to start the process of making money on it. Something you got to understand in this course is that this course is going to go much quicker than your blogs and your YouTubes and everything else that we make. This course is going to go much faster than that, okay? So if you're not seeing revenue from your blog by the end of this course, that doesn't mean get discouraged. It means go back to the beginning of this course and listen to me when I tell you don't get discouraged, okay? Because we're going to talk about discouragement in a little bit here, okay? Very excited, and this is a big thing. Making money on YouTube. That's section 4. You might not have known this was possible. If you did, you might not have known everything about it. But we're going to go over that. Section 5 is Fiverr, okay? Fiverr is a great platform to work from. It's not the best. It's just another little thing that we can do to make money. Some people say they make a living online with Fiverr and only Fiverr. I have not done that, okay? So I'm going to be honest right now and let you know I've not made my living from Fiverr, all right? Some people can, okay? Or at least they say they can. But we're going to talk about how you can utilize Fiverr, not necessarily make a living. When it comes to utilizing YouTube, a lot more people I've heard can make money. Well, I know can make money on YouTube from. Well, we'll talk about how in a little bit later. But I know a lot more people make money on YouTube than they do Fiverr, from what it looks like. And blogging is at the top of our list as well. Okay, so we're going to go over all these things, and I want you to pay very close attention right here, right now. Okay, section 1 and section 2, basic. Okay, we're talking beginner level stuff. Okay, so if you are ahead of this and you need to skip some of the things, I still encourage you to watch, but maybe you already have a YouTube account. We're gonna be registering for YouTube down here in lecture 6. Okay, if you already have an account, well, no big deal, right? Sections 3, through section 5. Okay, sections 3 through 5, intermediate level. Okay, we're talking building our blogs and our YouTubes and setting them up to make money. Okay, some people might consider some of that stuff basic, but we're gonna talk about some of the things that push this more into intermediate level work right here. Okay, and then when we get down here to section 6, getting exposure and making real money. Okay, we're gonna be talking about how it's done. Okay, and we're gonna talk about how to make real serious money in section 6. And down here, like if you look at lecture number 26, it gets real interesting. And I'm not sure if this will still be lecture number 26 on your syllabus. Like I said, mine is different. But down here, we're talking about the beauty of freebies. So I'm actually going to teach you how to make money from giving your products away. Okay, it's very exciting. Okay, so I'm very excited, everybody. This is the syllabus. Remember, we got a $15 fee for a domain name that we'll be purchasing. We'll all be doing that together. And then remember, sections 1 and 2 are basic, 3 through 5 are intermediate, and number 6 is the advanced, how we make some serious money. All right, guys, let's jump right to it and let's get started. Thank you so much for watching lecture number 1, and let's kick this off.